Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss our upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all notifications. At the heart of the giant lies a mystery as old as the solar system. From afar, Jupiter appears like a celestial deity in perpetual storm. Colored bands chasing each other, gigantic vortices, lightning bolts tearing through the darkness with a fury 100 times more powerful than those on Earth. But what we see is only the skin, the shell of a riddle that has challenged human ingenuity for centuries. What truth is hidden in the heart of the largest planet in our system? Exploring Jupiter means pushing the boundaries of knowledge, where science meets speculation, and where every collected data point brings us closer, inch by inch, to understanding the origins of the cosmos. Beneath the incredible spectacle of its colored cloud bands, its perpetually moving vortices, and storms vast enough to swallow Earth whole, Jupiter hides one of the most fascinating and impenetrable enigmas of the solar system. What really lies in its core? Jupiter is not only the largest of the planets orbiting the Sun, it is a titanic presence, a true cosmic colossus whose influence extends far beyond its orbit. With a diameter of about 140,000 kilometers and a mass 317 times that of Earth, the gas giant could contain more than 1,300 Earths within it. If Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be a basketball, a striking image to convey its majesty. But despite its massiveness, Jupiter remains in part an unresolved enigma. Beneath its veil of turbulent clouds lies a world of unimaginable pressures, state transitions of matter that defy known laws of physics, and an internal structure that still today raises fundamental questions about planetary formation. Jupiter is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun. In fact, had it been 80 times more massive, it could have triggered nuclear reactions in its core and become a star. In this sense, it is a kind of failed star, but no less interesting for that. Its upper atmosphere is the stage for weather phenomena bordering on the paroxysmal, giant hurricanes, cyclopean electrical storms, winds that can reach 600 kilometers per hour, and the famous Great Red Spot, an anticyclonic vortex twice the size of Earth, active for at least 3 centuries. But all of this, as spectacular as it is only the planet's skin. Its deepest secrets lie much further down. Descending into Jupiter's depths, pressure increases dramatically. At around 20,000 kilometers deep, hydrogen, normally present as a gas, is compressed into liquid metallic hydrogen, one of the most exotic states of matter known. In this form, hydrogen loses its gaseous properties and begins to behave like a liquid metal, conducting electricity and contributing to the generation of the planet's magnetic field. It is estimated that this layer occupies about 80% of Jupiter's volume, forming an invisible but immensely powerful ocean. The currents generated within this metallic fluid produce the largest and most powerful magnetic field in the entire solar system, over 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. Its magnetosphere is so vast that it extends millions of kilometers into space, engulfing many of its moons and interacting with the solar wind in ways still poorly understood. Yet, even deeper, something even more mysterious awaits our understanding: Jupiter's core. For decades, it was believed that Jupiter contained a solid and well-defined core, composed of heavy elements, iron, silicon, nickel, and exotic ices, like water, ammonia, and methane solidified under colossal pressures. Such a structure seemed logical, consistent with planetary formation models that predict accretion around a primitive core. But in 2016, with the arrival of the Juno probe, this view was drastically reconsidered. By analyzing Jupiter's gravitational field with unprecedented precision, Juno revealed a stunning secret. The planet's core is not compact, but diffuse, fuzzy, lacking a clear boundary. The heavy elements that were expected to be concentrated in a solid center appeared to be mixed with the metallic hydrogen, creating a gradual transition that extends for tens of thousands of kilometers. But how is such a structure possible? One of the most fascinating and unsettling theories is that of a gigantic primordial collision. In the early millions of years of the solar system, another celestial body, perhaps a protoplanet or another gas giant in formation, may have crashed into Jupiter, penetrating its gaseous envelope and fragmenting the original core. The violence of the impact would have dispersed the heavy elements deep inside, mixing them with the metallic hydrogen and permanently altering the planet's internal structure. Modern numerical simulations support this possibility, showing that an impact with a body at least 10 times the size of Earth could generate exactly the distribution we observe today. And there are astronomical clues that corroborate this hypothesis: the anomalous orbits of some moons, the chaos of the asteroid belt, and even Mars' unusually small size may be indirect consequences of such a catastrophic event. Penetrating Jupiter's deepest layers is, for now, technologically impossible. The Galileo probe, in 1995, managed to send a small probe into Jupiter's atmosphere, but it survived only 58 minutes, destroyed by pressures hundreds of times greater than those on Earth, scorching temperatures, and intense radiation. Imagining a probe capable of reaching the core is today a science fiction dream. But future missions, such as Juno's successors, or floating robotic instruments in the upper atmospheres, could offer finer resolution, helping us to see through gravity, magnetic fields, and even the seismic sound of internal waves. There are even more speculative theories. Some scientists wonder whether unknown forms of matter or quantum transitions beyond our current physics might exist in Jupiter's core. What happens to hydrogen at pressures billions of times higher than those on Earth? Could there be a state of matter we have never observed? And there's more. By studying Jupiter, we can understand not only its origin, but also that of extrasolar planetary systems. Most giant exoplanets discovered so far, the so-called hot Jupiters, orbit very close to their stars, in conditions very different from those of our Jupiter. But if we understand how our Jupiter is made, we can use that knowledge as an interpretive key to understand hundreds, thousands of other worlds. Jupiter is much more than a planet. It is a living archive of the primordial history of the solar system, a cosmic time capsule that holds within it the memory of the titanic events that shaped our galactic neighborhood. Every new mission, every new discovery, is one more step toward understanding not only the gas giant, but also who we are, where we come from, and, perhaps, where we are going.